Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by disabling power. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 1 minute to clear system memory. Once done, remove lower steering column trim with a 7 mm socket and a plastic pry tool. This exposes cluster fasteners. Next, loosen the 4 visible screws securing the instrument cluster while supporting it with your hand. Make sure to feel for the dimmer wiring on the back. Don't yank the cluster. Unplug the small dimmer connector before pulling the cluster fully out. With the screws loose, slide the cluster forward a few inches until the left tab clears the dash lip. You may need to angle it slightly to free the right side. Once accessible, press the release tabs on the main 14-pin and secondary 6-pin connectors and pull them straight back. Wiggle gently if aged. If your E36 has additional trip or HUD connectors, locate and disconnect them as well. Keep screws and trim in a labeled container, so reassembly is straightforward and fast. Now lift the instrument cluster out through the opening, rotating slightly to clear the dash edges. Protect corners with tape if necessary to avoid scratches. If any gauges or backlighting were problematic, inspect connector pins for corrosion and clean them with contact cleaner and a soft brush, then dry before reassembly. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Reconnect all plugs, seat cluster, tighten screws, reinstall trim, and reconnect the battery. If warning lights persist, check pin seating and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.